Okay, now let us see bodies when we are applying a force by a certain angle. Let us start with this one. A body of mass 8 kilograms is acted upon by a force of that which is inclined at 45 degrees to a smooth horizontal surface. Find the normal reaction between the body and the surface, and then find the acceleration. So now, here we start by sketching. These numbers are very easy. Start with your sketch. This is going to be your sketch. With ease, that's my sketch. Put on your body. This is going to be my body. Of which mass 8 kilograms. What happens whenever we have weight? I mean mass. We have weight. How do we get weight? The mass times the gravity. What happens if the body is reacting? There is a reaction between the body and the surface, which we call R. Okay, now they are telling that this force, there is a force they are applying, but at an angle of 45 to the smooth horizontal surface. So now, what we create a parallel surface, parallel to the horizontal like this. So that this is going to be parallel. Now, we apply our force like this. So this force is 25 root 2 newtons. So remember now, it's being applied at an angle of 45 degrees. Really is very easy. Now, the moment you start, we have anything like a force which is acting. That means that is going to be affecting this reaction. So, it means that now if you resolve this force, we are going to resolve it like this. Then you also move upwards like this. So that's how we resolve that force. Now you see this one is adjacent. So this one will be now 25 root 2. This one is adjacent cos 45. Then this force is going to be this one upward. So this one is the force which is acting in this direction. Then this one is going to be its opposite. So 25 root 2. Then sine 45 degrees. The number is done after doing that. Nothing else. Anyway, so after doing that, this is the reaction I was talking about. You can even put it this side like this or this side. It's up to you. So now, they want us to get the reaction. So the reaction starts the force. That is forces that are normal to this plane. So force is acting in that direction. First of all, you know that our resultant force is equal to the mass times the acceleration. But because in the vertical motion, there is no acceleration, the body is going to just move like this horizontally. So here the acceleration is going to be 0. Upwards, so we shall have the resultant which is pulling it up. We have, first of all, R, then minus the opposers. First is this one, saying no. And we also have another one which is moving like this, which is saying, yeah, even I'm supporting. Then plus the supporter, 25 root 2. Or the proposers. The proposer equaling, because we have no acceleration upwards, we are going to be having 0. But we all know that sine 45 from trig is 1 over root 2. Notes, can you put them here? Our R minus 8 into 9.8, then plus 25 root 2 into, now this one is going to be 1 over root 2 equaling to 0. I think you can simply see that one is resting. So our R is going to be now, when we take the other side, our R is going to be, okay, this one is going to be 8.4, then minus, we take this one the other side, 25, and if we subtract there, you see 5 from here, you get 3, 2 from there, you get 5.4, and these are going to be newtons because it's a force. Resultant is a force. Acceleration. Now, because our body is being pulled in that direction, we say, remember, the resultant force is going to be in the same direction to that of the where the body is accelerating. So, it means that if the body is going like that, means that the force is like that, or the acceleration is in the same direction with the resultant. So, our acceleration is going to be in that direction. So, if you want acceleration, now we resolve this. Remember our acceleration? We are going to get the force that is pulling this body. in this order. Remember, if you go in this direction, remember our resultant force is equal to m and the acceleration, which we want. So the force in this direction, we have only one, which is going this side. It's going to be 25 root 2, then sine 45. You see the opposite is 0. Okay, I can separate as 0, equaling to the mass of the particle, which is 8, times the acceleration, which is what we want. You know that also sine 45 and cos 45. Sorry, this is cos 45, not sine. Sorry for that. This is going to be cos 45. This is cos 45. Cos. In this direction, you see this one is not, it is going in this direction. But know that also cos 45 is 1 over root 2. These two are equal. 45 and 45, cos and sine of them is the same. So we have now 25 root 2 into cos 45, which is 1 over root 2, equaling 288. This one vanishes. Oh, wow. Then our A here is going to be 25 over 8. Then this is going to be in meters per second square. If you want, you can give it to 4 decimal places. But this one is a terminating decimal, which is 3 because of this 8. Then meters per second. Whenever you see a multiple 5 divided by a multiple 8, most cases the numbers are going to be terminated. So let's find the other. I think you see, very easy. And then why do you feel this is very easy, right? See you in the next lesson.